Then. You got to suspend the license.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Let me go and get all your paperwork.
Nah. Steady fucking. Every time I look up, they fucking.
So, you gonna give me your stuff?
Yeah, I might give it to you, bitch.
All right, come on.
What they say? What they say? You leave me the fuck alone. Fuck wrong with you, nigga?
Still?
What it say?
You want to stop in traffic?
Now, what it say? What it say? What it say? What it say?
I'm telling you why I stopped
now,
you.
give my paper. Yeah, what? What?
Bro, you got a problem?
What?
Do you got a problem?
What? Leave me the fuck alone, nigga. Every time I look up, it's you.
Bro, wasn't nobody
I don't
messing
give a
with you.
fuck
You
about none
stopped
of
in the middle
that
of
shit.
traffic.
I don't give a fuck about none of that, nigga.
Alright?
Yo, you heard what I said.
So what?
What's happening?
I'm telling you what happened. Why I stopped
Bro,
you.
leave me the fuck alone, brother.
Don't stop. You pulled up on me. What you mean? You pulled up on me.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about none of that.
You come down to 7 lane. I don't know what's going on.
Nah, now you going to cuff. Now you going to cuff. Come on.
Do something. Nigga, get the fuck out of me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
It's code pocket party. Hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
No, hands behind your back. No, he's going to. This is my stop. This is my stop. Hey, Nick. Hey, Nick. This is not. No. Just put him in cuffs. Huh?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Put him in cuffs.
We gonna get him in cuffs. Step back.
Everybody back. What we doing?
He's going to cuff. Huh? Disorderly. They said they're gonna put him in cuffs. Y'all can reduce codes. Get down here for crowd control. Clear the net.
Every time I look up, it's your bitch ass.
Absolutely.
Step back. I got you.
Hey, where your car at?
Right there.
Why are you like that? It's the real regular shit.
Who car is this?
I don't know. Montgomery. Hey, open your car. Open your car. They're putting him in here.
We gonna put him in there.
Huh?
I'm telling you, he just pushing my arm. You touching me for what?
We didn't get him out. You want to leave the car?
Say what?
Do we want to leave the car? Huh?
So what's it get?
A disorderly.
Okay.
For one, he pulled up next to me at the light, wanted to come cussing me instead of drive.
Okay, Kurt, what you got him for?
Disorderly.
Okay.
Blocking traffic up there, cussing at me at the lights. Only reason I stopped, man, is to suspend the license.
Okay.
Well, nobody gonna mess with him otherwise.
Okay. I'm just saying.
You just want to leave? Do we just want to leave the car and get out of here? He's going for disorderly. Yeah. Do we want to leave the car and get out of here or what?
That ain't
What happened?
That's y'all business. Y'all
How's
was
it?
talking to this man all night. Do what you gotta do. And I'm hot too. But that's not my business. I asked him why he stopped me. He told me. I ain't got no problem with that.
Yeah.
He doing this
I
job.
know what's going on here.
Okay.
What do you have?
Y'all were calling out saying drove by. I was at the light. No idea what's going on. He pulled up on me, stopped in the middle of traffic, cussing, recorded. Yeah, and then I pulled up in the traffic stop. He hopped up the car.
Is he driving?
Yeah, he was driving. He said he had a paper with like a, supposedly a paper saying he had like granted license privilege for this amount of time.
Okay, but he stopped on the roadway and was cussing at you?
Yeah, right over there.
Okay. So if you got to beat the flow of traffic, then, and if you're doing disorderly, then do disorderly.
Then
If you don't have towable stuff, then I would say let a family member take the car.
Okay. It would have been assault if they didn't hop in.
Huh?
It would have been assault on him if they didn't hop in.
Okay.
He was bucking up to me.
Okay. Well, if you're gonna do that, get that arranged. Okay.
I'm gonna get out of here with him now.
You want me to get that arranged for you?
What?
So he showed you that he's got a good driver's license.
I don't know. He snatched out my hand. Oh, they're mad.
I'll talk to what you need. I'll go over there.
You never saw. You never. He was showing you his temporary driver's license.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
Okay.
You just want to get out of here with him with me?
Right here.
Yeah, he was trying to fight me and they won't put him in my car. He said he had a temporary license, but he snatched out my hand before I finished reading it.
It's right there. I just got a court order Monday. Yeah, so I can drive to and from work and to and from work. So that's what I'm saying.
I got it.
Do what?
Oh, okay. I take him to county.
Huh? Hold on.
Okay. So what you need?
We're about to get out of here.
Okay.
I got it.
Hey. Y'all good with leaving the car here?
If he has a permit, then I don't see a reason to tow him.
Huh?
If he has a permit, then I don't see a reason to
He's
tow
still getting arrested for disorderly.
Okay, I don't know what you have on him, but if his license is good, then I wouldn't tow him.
Okay. You good taking him to jail with me? Huh? Yeah, I'm going there too. Once we get him in, you can leave.
Where are you going up disorderly?
Huh? For one, I wouldn't even follow him. Y'all called him out. He pulled up on me, started cussing at me, blocking traffic.
Here you go. Oh no, he said give the keys to Kayla. If his license is good, then yeah, we'll do that. I don't know who Kayla is. Was there somebody else in the car?
Huh?
Kayla?
No, off duty. I handled all that. I guess.
Off duty did.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I guess that's keys.
You want to follow me then?
Yeah, we'll find Kayla.
Oh, we just made off duty mad. I think I made Sergeant mad too.